Hey y'all, we recently traveled to Sandals Grande Antigua, located in the country of Antigua and Barbuda. The resort is located on beautiful Dickinson Bay. The expansive property hosts 11 restaurants, multiple pools, 2 with swim-up bars, and a large selection of room categories. We stayed in room 313, located in the center of the resort. Our room category was the Caribbean Honeymoon Butler Rondoval with private pool sanctuary. Let's take a look at where we stayed. Hey everybody, here we are at our room at the beautiful Sandals Grande Antigua. We are room 313. We have a special delivery box for daily itineraries or anything like that. Here you'll see we have a nice seating area if we want to sit out here and have breakfast and look at the beautiful foliage. The room also comes equipped outside with a nice towel rack, so you can throw your wet towels or swimsuits, anything that you don't want to bring inside. So here we go, here's our room. Here you have a working light for your front porch light. You can turn it on and off. Full length standing mirror so you can primp and get ready and look good. Closets. So you have your standard safe, the scale. Nobody ever wants to use the scale on vacation. Nice robes. You can see we've already used these to get ready yesterday. Extra pillows, blankets. There's an iron and an ironing board. This is one of those cool closets that the light goes on and off automatically when you close the door. Full large jacuzzi soaking tub for 2. You can see there's some leftover rose petals. They do like a nice little romantic bath for us after we went scuba diving yesterday so we can come back and relax. It also comes equipped with all of the Red Lane Spa amenities. So I didn't bring any shampoo or conditioner or body wash, so this was really helpful for me to pack with what I needed. This is kind of interesting how this works. So if you turn this on, your shower, so you don't have a shower curtain. That could be kind of weird to some people, and it's also really wide open. So there's not like a shower stall and a lot of privacy. We're pretty open, so we don't really worry about it too much, but if you really like a lot of privacy, this might not be the room for you. But it doesn't really get like everywhere or all wet. It's not too bad. You can easily just put one of these little blankets down or these little towels down and you should be fine. We also have our luggage racks right here. You can put shoes or other whatnots here in them. And this is our beautiful, well-lit vanity mirror. It's really nice for doing your makeup and your hair. You have like lots of towels, trash. They do have a hair dryer. Our room doesn't have one. She said she was gonna bring one, but I really don't need it. I just usually let my hair air dry, especially out here in the Caribbean, because there's no point in blow drying it. It's just gonna do what God wants it to do. Bathroom, the toilet. So this does have a little bit more privacy than the rest of it, but it's just a standard toilet with toilet paper, no bidet or anything like that. Living area. So this is like a nice little feature right here. The room is round, so there's no like sharp edges in the room at all, no like corners or anything. So you can sit here. It's kind of like similar to a bay window and have your breakfast or plan your day, and this lovely Sandals itinerary. It tells you what's going on for the day, what's open, what's closed, where you can eat, the different fun sports they're doing. We have a resort map here. So if we look on the map, we are right here in these rondevals. So we are in the very center of the resort. So we're just a few feet away from this pool. There's another pool right here that we're close to. We haven't ventured too much to this side, but we had dinner over here last night at Soy. The resort is just really, it looks so massive, but it doesn't take you that long. From our room, we're 10 minutes from anywhere in the resort, I feel like. Here we have our mini bar. It's a little dark, so you might not be able to see on the video too much, but it comes with full bottles of vodka, full bottle of gin, a full bottle of rum. I especially requested raspberry vodka because I like that mixed with Sprite. It's one of my favorites. We also have some Johnny Walker Black Label. They usually bring in a bucket of ice for you in the evening so you can make drinks. There is a hot water for tea. You can make a hot water pitcher right here for tea, and then there's a coffee maker right there, so if you want tea or coffee.
And I have a pretty big get up about open bottles where they put these little caps on there for easy access in theory, but they will give you this requestable bottle that was sealed and nice and ready to go. So
yeah. In here you have the mini bar. So with some great beers, there's wine, bottles of water, lots of different beers, sodas, wine, and then right here is the tea and coffee selection. So all Sandals have the Blue Mountain, which is really good. Ryan has enjoyed it. And we also have different selections of tea, English breakfast, chamomile, lemon, and your sugars and coffees and creamers. So it's great. Also, one thing to note is we are here during coronavirus. We don't want this video to be all about COVID travel because we don't want it to be timely, but we do want y'all to know that they have this room clean point of inspection, which is pretty neat. So you kind of know where the touch points are and how clean your room is. So here we have a large king size bed with the beautiful wood 4 posters. It's a gorgeous bed, but it's not too high or anything like that. I know some of the Sandals beds are really high. When we stayed in the Bahamas, it was really high. And then the beautiful ceiling with the wood beams looks awesome. And here we have our phone, a nice desk if you want to get some work done. You can see we have all of our equipment, our drone, our GoPro, everything kind of laid out right here. And then we have our in-room dining menu. So this will be different depending on your room category, I believe. I think Butler Service has like a special menu. So you can see all the deliciousness in here. And then the best part of the room, we'll save the best for last, is going to be the outside. We have our obnoxious floats because Sandals no longer allows floats due to the virus. They brought our own. And then here you have our little pool. It's actually pretty deep. Like, I'm 5'6" and like I can barely touch. So it goes really deep. It has kind of a 0 entry right here down to the steps. And then over here we have a table. You can have breakfast out at your table in the morning if you'd like for it to be delivered to your room. You can have dinner, whatever you want. So it's a nice feature. It's a great room. We're in the Rondovals. The room category is RP. There is an RD. I think those rooms are identical to the RP rooms. The only difference is they don't have a pool. But they are beachfront. So as soon as you open your door, the ocean is right in front of you. So those rooms are pretty great. Depends on what you want. All right, guys, we will see y'all at the pool later.